My name is Jose Alvarez, and I'll be your moderator. So let me introduce our speaker. Kwabena Agyeman is the president and co-founder of OpenMV. He has been a leader at OpenMV since 2015, I believe.
Yeah.
And by the way, OpenMV has over 100,000 cameras that are out there in the world. So previously, Kwabena led the electrical engineering and Embark trucks, building fully autonomous semi-trucks. And he has an extensive background in FPGAs and ASICs and microcontrollers, and engineering degrees from Carnegie Mellon, I believe. Okay, so his talk is going to be about running accelerated CNNs on low-power microcontrollers. And so please welcome Kwabena.
Thank you. All right. Thank you for the introduction, Jose. Okay, let's get into it. So yeah, what is OpenMV? We make the OpenMV Cam. This is a low-power computer vision platform. We've sold over 100,000 OpenMV cams and/or licensed them, so we've been at this for a while, and a lot of these units are now running around the world. There's even more that are clones, direct variants, and other offshoots of the core concept of putting computer vision on a microcontroller. These are directly integrated into products, or sometimes we have some customers who license them and remix the design into actual larger product, and so on and so forth. So what do we do? Electrical and PCB design, hardware manufacturing, high-performance firmware programming, camera drivers, DMA acceleration, dealing with cache coherency issues on microcontrollers, and then finally my favorite thing, which is writing SIMD code to do accelerated vision processing. So the whole gambit, it's kind of like basically building the computer system from scratch if you didn't have Linux to play with. So you get to delve into a lot of nice and fun technical topics and really to bring value for people in places that are hard to achieve in.